We'll guide you through how to compare Claude AI versus ChatGPT using the latest methods and features available. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and visit the official websites for both Claude AI and ChatGPT. For Claude AI, head over to their homepage and look for the Features section. Here, you'll find a detailed list of what Claude AI offers, including its natural language processing capabilities, integration options, and unique features like contextual understanding. Make a note of any features that stand out to you. Next, go to the ChatGPT website and click on the Products or Features tab. This will give you an overview of ChatGPT's abilities, such as its conversational skills, customization options, and any recent updates to its language model. While you're there, check out user reviews or case studies if available, as these can provide real-world insights into the performance and user satisfaction of ChatGPT. For a more direct comparison, you can open a new document on your computer and create a side-by-side list of features for both AI models. This will help you visually assess which model meets your specific needs, whether it's for business, education, or personal use. Consider factors like ease of use, cost, and support services offered by each platform. Don't forget to take into account the community and developer support if you're planning on integrating these AI solutions into larger projects. Lastly, try out any free demos or trial versions if they are available, as this hands-on experience can be invaluable in making your final decision. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.